What's the toughest leadership question you have ever been asked? Now think about that. What's the toughest leadership question you've ever been asked? Most important. Well, since we don't have enough time to ask everybody's, I'll tell you mine. It was on that flight that night. I just got the airplane back under control, done a quick controllability check, and one of my teammates asked me a question I never thought I'd be asked in my flying career. Yet to the situation at hand, it was very applicable. One of my crew members asked me, are we going to have to bail out? Now, only one of them asked me that, but I knew the other two were very intently listening to my answer. My answer had to be quick, succinct, decisive, convincing. My answer was simple. I said, no, stick with me, we'll be fine. And he said, yes, sir, and gave me 120% of his efforts all the way back, as well as I needed 120% of the other two crew members' efforts. Well, after we made it, and I had time to reflect upon what had transpired that night, I came to understand more about leadership from that one question than from any book I've ever read. Leadership, rock star leadership, is not based upon rank or position. Rock star leadership is a gift from the people that you lead, and you have to earn that respect, that gift, well before you ever need it.